And you guys, of course, the athlete them. Where you think I got when the athlete them leave Olympic and go them yard? Most of the athlete them go back to a regular 9 to 5 job. None of them can put food on the athlete them table. The athlete them going right back at them yard. Majority of them don't have a sponsorship to live off of. So a lot of them, remember them have family and all of these things. They can't support them family. Them they are Olympic run out them soul, and people there Jamaica bash the athlete them and all over the place. Guys, the athlete them don't get paid for the Olympics. Them are come home, sit down, go do a 9 to 5 job wherever most of them in the States, then go back to the States, go back to them regular life, them regular job. Like I said, you can pick on one hand how many athletes have the big sponsorship and can just live off of them sponsorship and off of them just go into the diamond leagues and all of that stuff. So stop pressure the athlete them, because you think them go out there for lose? Them don't go there for lose, them go out there for do them best and win, because this is their living. This is how they make their money. Jamaica no pay athletes for run. You understand? You guys don't pay the athletes to run. Nobody pay the athletes to run. So not stop pressure the athlete them. You know, understand?
Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family and friends, and browse this channel for more gossip and drama from the Caribbean.